GeoServer. Now let's see the interface of GeoServer Web Portal, what we have in this GeoServer Web Portal. So on the left side of this GeoServer, we have some sections, many types of sections, say about status, data, service, settings, tile caching, security, demos, tools, blah, 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 many sections. But basically, we need this section, data section, in where we need to do our all types of WebGIS work, data section. And for security purpose, we need to do this user group roles. We need to use this section actually for security purpose. But very rarely we can use another section, but maximum time we need to use this data section and this security section. Now let's see what we have in this data section. And for another purpose, we can check the about status, which means about status. What will be the status? The server status. We can check our server status and about. What about content? About content like the server owner. Say you are the server owner, you can input your contact information, you are the owner of this server, so that another user can check the owner of this server, the contact information, the purpose of this GIS project. Okay, so we can insert this in here about section. We will learn this also in our upcoming classes, how to update this GeoServer, owner, contact information, copyright policy, detail of this GeoServer. We can do it. We will learn this also. But before that, which one is important? Data section. What we have inside of this data section. In this data section, we have 6 items. Okay. These are, we are going to learn mainly. Okay. First one is layer preview. Okay. If we click this one, it will open the layer preview page in where our all published layer will be appeared. And from here, we can click open layer beside of this publish layer, and it will show us that web GIS. Okay, it is blank. Let me show you another one. See, after installing GeoServer, it provides us already many layers, published layers as a demo web GIS project. Okay, so that we will get some kind of idea what will be our project and how it could be presented to our user, what we can do by using this GeoServer. As a sample, GeoServer provides us as a sample some demo web GIS project. That is why in its directory, after installing, we will get by default some folder and shapefile. Okay, but this one I have created actually for my another batch of WebGIS, but rest of all are by default folder after installing this GeoServer. Okay, except this one. And in this folder, it's already contained these shape files, Tasmania states. Let's see, in here we have also Tasmania. Here is Tasmania state. Okay, so GeoServer already has this project, and in this layer preview, we can see those layer which is already ready to use for WebGIS project, already published layer to view. How to see this project? Just right click in this open layer, another open source WebGIS platform to present our WebGIS map. It is open source fully, and it provides us many tools so that user can browse, zoom in, zoom out, pan, even query also. Okay, we will learn this. We have another lecture, how to use OpenLayer, how to do SQL query language, and many more. Okay, if we click this, we can see the attribute. So this is layer preview page. In this layer preview page, we can see the list of all published layer in here, its name and workspace and store name. And the format we can see by using this layer, in which format we want to see this layer. Open layer, basically our WebGIS, which can open our this WebGIS in another tab of this web browser. Okay. So this is layer preview